add another one, another node, another node. This is just basic, getting a cinematic look. So I use this qualifier HSL to select my skin. Then play with it till you get it. Play with it. Don't mind me. I'm just this kind of unserious guy. Very unserious. Just bear with me. Bear with me. Play with it until you get it. Another thing I tell people when you're making a footage, always consider the color of the clothes. I don't know what is wrong with this costumier. Cause if they never change her for one costumier, others no go learn. So as you can imagine, I'm struggling because this she's putting on orange, and you know that her skin color falls towards orange color. So I'm having a hard time because of that. But thank God, I know what I'm doing. At least I'm experienced. So you just play with it until you get it done. Get the job done. That's what thing we do. Excuse me. So you pull through these blur edges to balance up some of this tiny obstruction that I'm not comfortable with. So the noise, let's blur. Smell. So ready to blur. I like you to go in and do the job. Yes, at least I won. Let me cut off some parts. I think I'll cut off some parts in this video that I don't want. Like from here. So, as you can see, we are heading somewhere. So the next thing to do is deactivate, create another node, another node, another node, another node, another node. Okay, so add layer, then link this to this. We are trying to separate the skin from the background. So this is the skin, which is this, and this is my background. So I love it when I go to my log, raise my midtone. Are you seeing changes? Okay, imagine, let me make it visible by doing this. Can you see the changes? You can. Stop lying. I know you can. But it will be more visible when I... Okay, let me be done with this. Then add my contrast, like 80 or 80 something. So see the difference. Are you noticing anything on the skin? Then sometimes if it's dark, you add shadow a little bit though, so that you not ghost the person. Then I like treating my skin, like reducing the rough skin by mid details. So see the difference. I know you can notice it. So offset, you go to your offset, you drag it down. I like it when my colors are natural. Instead of going to no, I don't like this. No, 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 not today. I'm not doing a movie grade. We have movie kind of mood, different kind of movies. We have comic. We have drama. We have love. We have actions. We have different kind of mood of colors. So at least see changing. So at least let me slightly pull it so you can see. So this is it. This is just basic grading before 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 and after. Before and after. Basic, basic. I'm not doing much, just basic. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to select colors, change the color of her clothes, change the color of this blue container, and how to change color entirely. I'll be doing more on color change. So make sure you stay to the end because I want to show you something. So this is it, as you can see. So you watch, you notice that this part is only highlighting the skin, which is what you need to do at this particular node. Then this one is for the background. Then if you want to now increase the saturation, you go ahead and add another log. Maybe you want to do something else like blur, increase the saturation. Then you can go ahead and do that by color boost. Boost the color. I know here well. Boost and well. Boost the color. You can see. As you can see, the color is boosted. But try not to do it too much so that your image will not be looking like one saturated something. So I'm going to sharpen this footage. I'm going to sharpen it by creating a node. I'm going to effects. Either you type sharpen or you slide down, 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 sharpen. So you drag and drop. As you can see, it's too much. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. All you have to do is go to global blend, reduce to blend it. Watch. Blend to blend it. Blend it. See before, after. Let me blend it more. form of the. So thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, and I will be showing you the next footage. Thank you, thank you. The next video will be changing colors. Thank you, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share to your friends who would want to go switch to DaVinci Resolve. Thank you so much, and thank you, and take care.